Well, first of all, my name is Michael Yacoub. I'm the general manager of the Charles at Buckhead. It's the most luxurious condominium high-rise in Buckhead and in Atlanta. So I am very familiar with dryer vent specialists because they came highly recommended because of their service. And as a person that is kind of a dinosaur in the hospitality field, it's all about service for me. It is all about quality, and they do a very good job in both. Data doesn't lie. If you have the pictures, if you have everything before and after, that shows a lot of work, a lot of integrity, and puts me as a general manager in a better situation moving forward. So I appreciate the reporting system very much.